To deposit a check with the Wells Fargo mobile app, start by ensuring you have the latest version of the app installed on your mobile device. If you are not already enrolled in Wells Fargo Online, you will need to do so before you can use the mobile deposit feature. First, open the Wells Fargo mobile app and sign on with your username and password. If you have not already set up mobile deposit, you may be prompted to do so. Once you are signed on, select the Deposit tab at the bottom of the screen. Next, choose the account where you want to deposit the check. This can be a checking or savings account. Make sure the account is eligible for mobile deposit by checking the Wells Fargo website or mobile app for a list of eligible accounts. Now, take a picture of the front and back of the check. Make sure the check is endorsed with your signature and the words "for mobile deposit only at Wells Fargo Bank." The check should be placed on a flat surface with good lighting and the camera should be held directly above the check. To capture the images, select the front of check and back of check buttons in the app. The app will guide you through the process of taking and reviewing the pictures. Ensure the images are clear and the check information is readable. After you have taken the pictures, enter the check amount and select the account to which you want to deposit the funds. Review the deposit details to ensure everything is correct. Finally, select the deposit button to complete the transaction. You will receive a confirmation message and an email with details of the deposit. The funds will be available in your account according to Wells Fargo's mobile deposit funds availability policy. It is essential to keep the check in a safe place until the funds are available in your account. After the funds are available, you can destroy the check to prevent it from being deposited again. For security purposes, always monitor your account activity and report any suspicious transactions to Wells Fargo immediately. Additionally, be aware of the daily and monthly mobile deposit limits, which can be found on the Wells Fargo website or mobile app. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily deposit checks using the Wells Fargo mobile app, saving you time and providing a convenient way to manage your finances on the go.